Manipur da thokliba wathok asi mahousagi punshida hanjillaknaba Grassroot Level Dagi Houna Wari Sanaba Chang-Ee haina Center for Study of Society and Secularism Mumbai gi Director Imphal Engineer na Fongdokre ngasi Manipur Press Club ki Thangjing Hall da pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Imphal na makata na hai Center asina Manipur da thokliba wathok asigi matangda fact finding team amana mamang chahi gi November thada tongan mafam singda chatuna lamdam asida khundaminariba furup singi tongan ba stakeholder CHO journalist academician women activists youth representative amadi victim singa wari sanaki hairiba fact finding team asina amuk tha sigi kundagi kulhumdoi fawba Imphal, Churachandpur, Tengnopal, Amadi, More Yauna, Imphal gi tongan mafam singda chatuna mafam adugi miyamga wari sanaki, wari sanaba aduda mamang chahida lehoba awaba kudong chadaba kaya sing adudagi ahongba karishu thengnarakide. Maikay animagna irang asigi waroshin puraktuna hanagi punsida hanjiningbagi apamba sing fact finding team asina thengnaraki. Loinena wathok asi matam sangthariba asi land, natural resources, cultural ethos, employment opportunity, amadi political power tananabani haiba temasina uba fangi. Maramaduna center amadi state laingak anina mahousagi fibamda hanjillaknaba honabada tangai fade. Amadi ahanba khongthang oina group khuding makna pairiba khutlai sing thadoknaduna non-violence oiba khongthang thangba party khuding makna yanaba mathau tai haiki.
Expression under the shadow of gun is greatly hampered by within all communities. So a gun within one ethnic community does not threaten only the other ethnic communities, it also threatens people who disagree with the gun wielders within one's own ethnic community. That is why I am saying Manipur is waiting for peace. Something must be done. And I think serious initiative should be taken by the state, Manipur state, as well as Government of India, to establish this peace, to at least start the process of peace very seriously.